Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Math Mo. Today I'll tell you the multiplication tricks. That is how to multiply some numbers in special case in shortcut. You need to do this because there will be exams. You will have limited time and you have to do the calculation fast. Here we learn how to calculate this. In these cases, better and faster than calculator, and that one will be the fastest one. You can do the calculation within 2 seconds. So if you get the concept first, let us take the first case. Two-digit number 23 and 27. How to multiply? For me, it's very easy to multiply this one. Easy. So it will be 621. Another example we see 1224. By seeing it, you can find it within second. So how to do that? Let us see the case. When you can do this way, when the tens place digits equal in the two-digit number or more than two-digit number, you have to see the remaining digits must be equal. Only change in ones place. Only the last digits with different value. And the sum of them, the 2 is 10. Here 3 and 7 makes 10. So in that case you can do it. What to do is just multiply last two digits. 3 and 7 is 21. And you multiply these two to the next digits. That is the successor or the just next digit of the number 2. After 2 next digit is or next number is 3. So you have to multiply these 2 with 3, and that is 2 into 3, 6. Here you can see this 10 space digits equal and 4 and 6 makes 10. So you can do in this way. So what to do? You have to multiply this last two digits, 4, 6 is 24, and this digit is 3. What is the next digit of 3? Is 4. So multiply 3 with 4, 3 with 4, that is 12. Let us see one more example. So 72 and 78. You have to multiply 2 and 8. It is 16, and here it is 7. So what is the next digit of 7? Is 8. So you have to multiply 7 with 8. This 7 8 is 56. So now there will be special case. If we see this one, 61 and 69. So you have to multiply 9 and 1. And remember, you have to write this into two digits. So when you multiply 9 with 1, it is 9. Make it two digits. Put a 0 before 9. When your product comes one digit, make it two digits by putting 0 before the digit. And then what is next? 6 into 7. 6 to 7 is 42. So like this you can find the product easily. Okay, now second case we will see how to multiply any number with 11. There is a trick and easy way you can multiply, say 235 into 11. So when you multiply any number with 11, what to do? You have to write the first digit as it is and last one. And what to do? You have to add the digit to the next one. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then 3 plus 2 is 5, and these digits will remain same, first and last, and just add the digit to the next one and put the value here. Add to next digit and put it here, and the first will be same and last one will be same. Take one more example. So if you multiply this number with 11, what comes? First you have to write 3 here, then 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 4, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 2, 5, and the first digit. So when you multiply with 11, this is the product. So there will be a different case. Let us see this one. When you multiply with 11, this one will be 5. Then 5 plus 7 is 12. For that you cannot write 12 here. You have to write the only one digit. For 12 you write only 2 and 1 will be carried. So only we put the ones place digits and carry the tens place digits. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 we put here and 1 is carry. Next 7 plus 6 is 13 plus that carry 1 makes 14. And for that 14 also you will not write 14. Only 4 ones place digits and 1 will be carry. So next digit is 6 and the carry 1 is 7. So when carry is there, you don't put it, you just leave it and add to next digits. Okay, now we will see how to multiply 3 digit number nearest to 100. Any 2 digit number, any two numbers, 3 digit number which is nearest to 100. Let us take an example 102 multiplied by 103. So if we do this one in our general process, it will take time. So you have to save your time and do it in your mind. How to do that? First of all, you get the concept clear. Okay. So this is 110 and 103. First of all, you have to find how much more than 100. Your base is here 100. Take base is 100 and it is 2 more than 100. 2 more. And this one is 3 more. Only that much you have to find. Then your calculation is over. What to do? You have to add these 3. Let me write this one. You have to add this difference to this number or this one to this number. Whatever you add this one to this or this one to this, you get the same 105. It is 3 more than 100. So you add this 3 with this one, you will do 105. Or it is 2 more than 100. So you add this 2 to this number, you will get 105. You have to add 1. Either this one to this or this one to this. You will get the same thing. Okay? Then extra this 2 and 3 you have to multiply and you have to write in 2 digit number. That's your answer. Let us see one more example. It will not take time more than a second. You see, this is 3 more than 100 and this is 5 more than 100. Either you add this 5 to this number or this 3 to this number. You'll get, say, 108. You add 5 to 103, it will be 108. If you add this 3 to this number, it will be 108. And what to do? This 3 and 5 you have to multiply and write here. Last two digits, 15. That's your answer. Let us see one more example. 101 and 107. So this one extra just add it to this number or this one to this number, it will be 108. And 1 into 7 is 7. Put it in 2 digits, 0, 7. And that's your answer. Okay, now we'll see what about this number is less than 100. Let us see if any trick there is. So if the case is like this, 98 and 99. when you have to multiply 98 and 99, what to do? Just same thing. You have to do, this one is 2 less and this is 1 less. So when it is less, you have to subtract. When it is more, you have to add. So you have to subtract. You see, this is 2 less than 100 and this is 1 less than 100. Your base is here 100. And 98, it is 2 less than 100, and 99, 1 less than 100. So like previous one, you have to subtract 1 from this one or 2 from this one. You will get same thing. So if you subtract 1 from 98, it will be 97. Or you subtract 2 from 99, it will be 97. You have to write that, and then you have to multiply the difference. This 2 and 1. So 2, 1 is 2. And that one you write in 2 digits. That's your answer. It's quite easy. Let's see with one more example. Say 97 and 98. Do it fast. So here it is 2 less and this is 3 less. So either you subtract 2 from here or 3 from there. So if you subtract 2 from this number, it will be 95. And difference is 3 and 2. It is 6. Hope you understood. Now think one number is less than 100 and one is more than 100. So we are going to multiply 98 and 103. So that time, what to do? This number is 2 less and this number is 3 more. So in that case, it is 2 less than 100 and this 3 more than 100. So you have to keep the base is 100. So now we have to multiply. So like previous one, either you have to plus 3 with this number or you have to subtract 2 from this number. It is less, that is why minus 2 you have to subtract from this number, or 3 plus with this number. So what comes? If you add 3 with this number, it will be 101. Or if you subtract 2 from this number, it will be 101. Now for next 2 digits, what to do? For next 2 digits, multiply this one, 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6, but it will be minus 6. You have to subtract 6 from last 2 digits. That will be for this case, you have to subtract. Put in 0 because base is 100. For that, you have to keep last 2 digits 0. And then when this minus minus, it will be plus. That's why we are adding plus 1. In first case also plus, both are plus, that's why adding plus. But here one minus, another plus, that's why you have to subtract from plus digits. And that one will be this.